Hi, this is Jeff here. I'm in my garage with my new Knolly Tyaughton. This is a new hardtail from Knolly Bikes, and they are going to offer it in both the steel frame and titanium frame versions. I ordered the steel frame version almost a full year ago, 11 months to be exact, and it just came in last week, and I had her built up over at Bikesmith Cyclery in Prescott, Arizona. Thought I'd do a bike check, so check it out. Starting here, I've got my WTB Rocket saddle. And here at the rear, we are running a DT Swiss wheel with a Maxxis Aggressor tire. I've got a Shimano XT derailleur with an SLX 51 tooth chain ring, or excuse me, cassette, my bad. And speaking of chain ring, here we go. My crankset is a Shimano XT 165 mil length on the arms, and I'm running a absolute black 32 tooth chain ring, chrome mag contact pedals, love those pedals. Got a Chris King bottom bracket. We've got a Lazine bottle cage, water bottle repping my bike shop. We are running the P&W Components loam dropper seat post, 200 millimeters of travel. I had to adjust it down to 185 because it was a little too tall for me. Up here to my cockpit, we've got the P&W loam grips. I'm running Shimano SLX shifter as well as Shimano SLX brakes. We've got the P&W Components range handlebar 760 mil, P&W Components range stem 40 millimeters. I'm running a Chris King headset and a few chrome mag spacers there. And over here we've got the Wolf Tooth Components dropper seat post remote. On up front here we've got the other wheel, another DT Swiss wheel with a Maxxis dissector front tire. And I think one of the highlights of this build is this MRP Raven fork, 150 millimeters of travel. And I just love that reverse crown fork they're known for. Looks completely badass. And a nice touch here is this Arizona flag sticker. Gotta rep Arizona. I am running a couple of no-name rotors for brakes. Hopefully they work. I just like the looks of them. And there she is. Size small, Knolly Tyaughton steel frame hardtail. Such a badass looking build. Cannot wait to ride her.